westward. Left Illinois, gonna call California home. We reach Wyoming, gotta make a big decision. Oh, should we take the Hastings Path on through the mountains to save a lot of time? The snow came down and trapped us in, animals gone. To survive, we must stay strong. I knew the downers, I ate some, turned cannibal to live on. See, I knew the downers, I ate some, their fingers taste like salami. I knew them were 89 pioneers, only half survived. I knew the downers, I ate some, but most died from the hard journey. I knew the downers, I ate some, see, it was that horse, don't blame me. I knew the downers, I ate some, they kinda taste like pastrami. I knew the downers, they were tasty with fava beans and Chianti. I knew them. Welcome back, class. I'm Mr. Betts, and that was the Donner Party done to Pearl Jam's daughter. Yes, the Donner Party, the very gruesome side of Manifest Destiny. Now, if you want to learn more about Manifest Destiny, why don't you click the link over here, bringing you to Manifest Destiny done to Iggy Azalea's Fancy, or you could learn about the Compromise of 1850 done to Taylor Swift's Shake It Off. If you haven't already taken my survey so that I can make this channel better, please do so. Link in the description. You can follow me across all forms of social media at MrBettsClass. Be safe, and I'll see you next time.